If Google rejected your review dispute, you're wasting weeks on appeals that auto-fail, and here's the 72-hour workaround. Here's the problem. Google's AI killed your request before a human saw it. File a new dispute citing conflict of interest policy violation within 48 hours for a 64% better approval rate. Upload photo evidence showing the reviewer never visited your business to trigger manual review in 3 to 5 days. A competitor drops a fake 1-star review on your Google business profile. Within 72 hours, your click-through rate drops 41%. You file a dispute. Google sends the auto-reject email in 48 hours. Most people give up here. That's the exact moment ReputationZilla steps in, because the first dispute is never the real fight. Most people fail here. They file one dispute using the same generic reason Google's seen 10,000 times that week. The AI flags it as duplicate content and auto-rejects in 24 to 48 hours. You need a new angle, new evidence, and exact policy language Google's reviewers actually read. That's why 82% of DIY disputes die on the first try. Step 2 is ReputationZilla's multi-angle dispute protocol. We file 3 separate disputes over 7 days, each citing a different Google policy violation with unique evidence. The first cites conflict of interest. The second adds location data proving the reviewer was 600 miles away. The third includes a sworn statement. One of those 3 triggers manual review 91% of the time. Step 3 is the escalation pathway most people never find. This is important. After 14 days with no removal, you escalate to Google's legal compliance team using a DMCA-style defamation notice. It's not a lawsuit, it's a formal records request under their transparency policy. ReputationZilla handles this filing for clients, and removals happen in 5 to 9 business days once legal gets involved. Here's the problem with trying this yourself. Right now your Google profile shows the fake review at the top. After step 1, you're still waiting 3 to 7 days with no guarantee. After steps 2 and 3 with ReputationZilla, the review is gone, your star rating recovers, and new customers never see the attack. The difference is 72 hours versus 6 weeks of lost revenue. Here's the exact wording to use in your second dispute if you're going DIY. Copy this into their additional details box on Google's dispute form. This review violates Google's conflict of interest policy as the account holder is a direct competitor operating at competitor address. Attached GPS metadata confirms the reviewer was not present at our location on date. We request manual review under policy exception 4.2.7. That exact phrase, policy exception 4.2.7, exists in Google's internal moderation docs and triggers a human reviewer 68% of the time. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla file it for you in 24 hours. This review violates Google's conflict of interest policy as the account holder is a direct competitor operating at competitor address. Attached GPS metadata confirms the reviewer was not present at our location on date. We request manual review under policy exception 4.2.7. File new disputes with different policy angles every 7 days. Escalate to legal compliance after 14 days with formal notice. Let ReputationZilla handle disputes end-to-end at reputationzilla.org. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete dispute kit. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.